Hi there! So Connie here. This is again another short and unedited video just to greet you a prosperous and blessed new year. Now I really can't help it. I said to myself that I won't be publishing videos for this week, but since we're approaching 2020, in a few days I know that most of us are excited for the new year and excited to create more goals and some things that we want to achieve this year. Now I know that you can find that anywhere here in YouTube and to the other platforms, but what I want to remind and stress to you today is to have an accountability partner, just a one-on-one person that you will be accountable with, and that this person will be accountable to you when it comes to your goals, not just your goals but that person's goals as well, and you will have to follow up each week to know the updates and the status of your goals, because we always do this. We create goals, but then again the year ends and then we realize we haven't met our goals. We haven't met our goals. So I invite you to have an accountability partner, because goals are nothing if we don't take action and we don't have any progress about it. So that's it. Have a blessed new year and I see you next year. Bye.